and welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Dr. Nandita Mohan and here are the reports for today. Acupuncture proves to be an early way to manage and treat rheumatoid arthritis. Acupuncture is a Chinese medical practice that is usually used to treat inflammation. A recent study suggests that acupuncture may be a non-pharmacological intervention to start early even after being diagnosed with late-stage rheumatoid arthritis for managing and treating the disease based on each patient's individual need. Coffee consumption may potentially increase the risk of developing chronic kidney disease. Since most of us love to start our day with a cup of coffee, it has been observed that several metabolites in the blood whose levels are altered by coffee consumption may affect the risk of developing chronic kidney disease, a recent study has reported. Food and beverages may have important effects on kidney health, hence a control on our intake of coffee is what the authors have highlighted. Oxycodone not superior to paracetamol codeine combo for pain relief after fracture surgery. Patients with a surgically managed fracture are commonly discharged from the hospital with a strong opioid prescription, but limited evidence exists to support this practice. A recent study found that oxycodone, which is a strong opioid, did not provide superior pain relief compared with a combination of acetaminophen and codeine, which classifies as a mild opioid after the first 7 days of fracture surgery. Hypertension may double the risk of developing epilepsy. Hypertension is an established risk factor for clinically detected stroke, which in turn is a risk factor for epilepsy. A recent study has confirmed this statement where the authors found out that hypertension may double an adult's risk of developing epilepsy after assessing a sample of 55 patients where the hypertension was linked to a 2.44 times higher risk of developing epilepsy. Antimicrobial coated catheters may decrease the incidence of urinary tract infections. Catheter-associated urinary tract infections comprise a significant burden to the healthcare system. Catheter coatings have been studied for their potential to reduce the risk of nosocomial infections. According to a new research published in the Urology Practice Journal, antimicrobial catheter coatings decrease the incidence of urinary tract infections. That's all for today. I shall see you tomorrow.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.